Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Black+Decker 0.9 CU Fort Portable Washer and the Elevon QD Mini PWMG Y1G Portable Mini Washing Machine. Both of these machines are designed for small spaces, making them ideal for apartments and RVs. In this video, we will dive into their specifications, features, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. Let's start with capacity. The Black+Decker portable washer has a capacity of 6.6 pounds, which allows you to wash more laundry in one go. In contrast, the Elevon mini washing machine has a slightly smaller capacity of 5.5 pounds. This difference can be significant for users who need to do larger loads, making the Black+Decker a better option for those with more laundry to handle. Next, let's compare the features. The Black+Decker washer offers multiple wash cycles, including heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak, making it versatile for different fabric types. It also comes with safety features, like auto unbalance detection. On the other hand, the Elevon mini washing machine features a 2-in-1 function with a spin dryer, which is great for quick drying. Depending on your laundry needs, these features can greatly influence your choice. Finally, let's talk about price. The Black+Decker portable washer is priced at $249, which reflects its larger capacity and additional features. In contrast, the Elevon mini washing machine is much more affordable at $77, making it a budget-friendly option for those who need a compact washing solution. Your budget and laundry requirements will play a crucial role in your decision. In conclusion, both the Black+Decker and Elevon portable washing machines offer unique advantages. The Black+Decker is ideal for those needing more capacity and versatility, while the Elevon is perfect for budget-conscious consumers looking for a compact solution. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.